Kublai bisa simpat te kane kadi kecing pentip yaki kobar kam kibalat hapo ka district George East Jainti Hill District Klieriat te kalakot online application nakam taki post stenographer bat proses server te kalas date bakin pedang yaki application kijang pi kandai hadu ka kandai terik donai basau arajar arpusan baje kini ki post bapia ban apply kadai yaki balapan dep yaka klasten lak jong ki post bat na kamenta ki balapan dep yaka graduate lak jong ki post te sape je kini ka video hadu bakot yaki jing batai hakabai dai bat kini ki post mar haban apply offline omdai online te ki kerteng jong ki post kadai stenographer grade 2 number of post iway UR iway ka salary lane ka jingsiu kadai pay level 11 of revised pay structure nang ta ka essential qualification part bachelor degree from a recognized university with diploma in stenography in English with minimum speed of 100 word per minute in shorthand and typing speed 40 word per minute in computer. Pidai man pendep ya ka bachelor degree hakina kino ki university bapi pule bat ka diploma haka stenography bat ka minimum speed cispa kentin haka si minute daka jing tho lingkot bat sa po kentin bantaj haki komputer kapus baar stenographer grade 3 number of post iway UR iway ka salary kadai pay level 8 nang ta ka essential qualification part kadai kumju bat kapus kabanikong ki qualification baphiyo ban apply kapus balai kadai proses server grade 4 tiya kini ki post baphiyo ban apply kadai class 10 number of post iway UR iway ka jingseu lane ka salary kadai pay level 1 nang ta ka essential qualification part SSLC pass from a recognized board pidai ban pendep ya ka class 10 hakino kino keyboard bapi pule tikas nem bapi ban apply ya kini ki post kadai kat prahadu live first nem bat hakabedai bat ki ST candidate bat kandon ka age relaxation bapiyo ban apply te ban apply pat ya kini ki post ki candidate ki haban submit daka standard form bat haka standard form pi haban pendap ya ki jingun kam baro bat hakapor bapi pendap ya ka form pi haban check bah hakabedai bat ki post ki qualification kas nem bat kiway bat pi haban sanyru haka standard form tetapi bakla kinsya reject harengkat ki dokumen kum ka kelas bapi pule ST nang takas nem kha bat ka certificate snong bapisa bat ka envelope self attested envelope 23 cm multiply 10 cm affixed with postage stamp of Rs 5 rupees must be attached with the application ka envelope ka badon ya ka form application bat kiway ki kotisla ki badon kam dei ban tho halor jong ka application nakamta ka kam bapi apply bat pi haban lek submit po ka district and session judge ka badon Klieriat East Jainti Hill District nang ta ka application fee lane ka jingsiu ya ka bai exam pat ka dei laispa ya ki general haka form jong ka di mandraf bat sis pa san pau ya ki ST candidate nang ta ka mode of selection kandon ka written exam screening test screening practical test preliminary test bat ka personal interview te nak mantakine kemud pi habdai ban qualify hadu bapinda po ya ka interview te tang kini kecing pentip kublai sibun